Hey guys and girls, this is kind of a companion video to the last video that I posted about spark plugs and some of the misfire issues or almost misfire issues I was having with my 2010 Ford Flex EcoBoost. The changing of the spark plugs was a lot easier than my wife's Fusion Sport. Basically all I had to do was just take this cover off, and this cover just basically has two little pins. You can see them right there and right there that just lock into this. You have to take off the actual oil filler spout, the cap first, but it pops right off. And then basically you would just take this cover off here. You just pop these screws out, take the coils out, take the spark plugs out, put some dielectric grease on there, and you pop them back in. It's really straightforward. Now on the wife's car, like I said, it's a 2010 Fusion. You actually had to pop the whole plastic intake manifold off. Here, this one's nice and compact. It's in the middle. It's out of the way of the spark plugs. There's really not a whole lot to take off. I loosened up this here, and this tube right here I just kind of pushed out of the way to get some better access, but really it's quite simple. You have to kind of fudge around to get the ones at the back, but that's common with horizontally opposed V6 engines. So it just wanted to say, you know, just how easy it was to replace them on here, and don't be afraid to try it yourself. Now the next video hopefully that I'll be doing is the replacement of this air intake with the Air-Raid air intake system. So hopefully that'll be the next one, and hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked it or you found it interesting, hit the like button. You didn't like it, hit the thumbs down button. It won't hurt my feelings. Anyways, that's all for now. Take it easy.